Hi everyone, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a garden hose. This is incredible. It weighs less than 4 pounds, so it is super lightweight. I needed a solution. My spigot is behind here and it's really hard to get to. And every time I try to pull the hose out, I just run into issues. So here is what the hose looks like. It is super light, as you can tell, and the connector valves are really, really nice. It comes with some extra washers in case that you need them. So let's plug this in and see how it works. Okay, first I'm going to connect the part that will turn it on and off from here. This is my end part. You could also use this in a sprinkler if you wanted. And this is really easy to tighten right here. Next, let's put it into the wall and see how it works. Oh, this is a dream. This is so easy to connect and to tighten. I'm going to turn on the water and the hose will fill up. Let's give it a try. Pro tip, so you do not get kinks. You want to pull it out from the end. This avoids kinks so that you get a smooth water flow. I love this. This hose is effortless because it is so lightweight. It only weighs 3.97 pounds. And it's so easy to carry. You're not going to strain yourself. It just makes gardening more fun and more comfortable. You have that premium aluminum coated brass connector. They are leak proof. And then you get those extra leak resistant washers, which are really, really nice. And there is just this really cool interface that makes you have a super tight seal. This has a PVC inner tube and it resists kinks, twisting, and bursting, and it maintains its flexibility over time. I am loving the ease of this hose, and I think that you will too. Definitely check this one out.